Okay, I have an unboxing here and gonna be opening it. You'll see what's inside. I'll just be 1 minute. Battery, DVDs, some of them came free, spring, and I think this is a charger. Yeah, and a charger. And gun, which is dboys AK. Oh, looks like some of the BBs came out. There's the cap. You can always trust the shipping. Oh damn, this thing's quite heavy. Smaller than I thought. This thing would be bigger. I'm just hoping it was this size. 1 minute, let me just open it. There it is. You got your manuals, magazine, another battery, a really nice sling, a charger you'll never want to use, that full metal real wood, this thing, and that's pretty much it. This is all I ordered is only about $150 for everything. Oh man, this thing's nice. Is that? I think that is real wood. I can't tell. Well, thanks for watching.